The BMW design team have just been giving it to us. We all remember the introduction of the big kidney grills in the 4 Series, and the whole world was like,
"What are those? What's going on? Are you serious?"
if you thought they were done, they did it again. They introduced a whole new design language for the 2 Series, which was actually greatly ambitious, if I may say, because that car is always loved, or always been loved, since its introduction. And here we are again, going through a whole new phase. Ladies and gentlemen, this is The Ride with Anda, and I'm your videographer Brian. I hope you guys enjoy the show. Like, subscribe, comment, and yeah. The BMW M2, since introduction, has always been considered the core basis of the M division. It packs the same twin-turbo, inline 6-cylinder, 3-liter motor that you'd find in the M4. To top it all off, it has a smaller body size and wider dimensions, making it the ultimate M car for enthusiasts to own. And as a daily driver, you still get to keep up with the traffic, and it has enough space for your grocery runs. The elephant in the room, the body design. The M2 stands out more than the standard 2 Series, not just because it's an M, but because of everything design that has been overhauled. These box-shaped vents on either side, more square on the kidney grills, a huge vent in the center, paired up with adaptive LEDs. Going around the side, you'll find more aggression in the stance, with extensive side skirts leading from the front arch to the rear, and also because it shares the same axle as the M4, hence the bulging in its wheel arches, with standard double-spoke style mags. 275, 19 inches at the front, 285, 20 inches at the rear. Depending on spec, you could either get the full carbon roof as standard, or one with a sunroof at no additional cost. At the back, there's the boot-lid spoiler, well, more squaring off on either side, and quad M exhaust tailpipes. Sexy. Boot space is reasonable at 390 liters, so you can still pack and hit the road. A lot of its underpinnings are borrowed from the BMW M3 and M4. Things such as the suspension, tire placement, tech such as the 10-stage traction control, which can be found on the gear lever, and drift analyzer. Standard features include M Sport differential, adaptive suspension, and M compound brakes. When you see this car in pictures, first instinct is you think, nope, it's not the usual. How could they? What is this? But in person, I gotta give it a second opinion because it looks way much better. First thing you realize when you step in this car is this massive screen, which is 14.9 inches and is newly designed to still be driver focused, and you also get a 12.3 inches for the instrument cluster, which you can always alternate between different screens to get whatever view that you want to see as the driver. Newly redesigned M Sport seats with M2 on the headrest. If you don't want it, you can always get the bucket seats for an extra 100,000. M2 on the door sills, M tricolor literally everywhere, on the door, seatbelt, leather steering wheel with carbon fiber shifters, carbon fiber on the IP, center console, beautiful. Build quality is really nice, it feels really solid. And this being a coupe means you're able to carry 2 more passengers at the back. But because it's a sports performance car, we're not gonna bash it on practicality, because if you're a big adult, maybe like 6 feet with long legs, it's gonna be quite a tight fit. So what's the conclusion? If you have 1.5 million rand to spend, go for it. Why not? It has the dynamics of both your BMW M3 and M4, ease on the daily, and if you really want to perform, the inline 6-cylinder 3-liter engine is no child's play. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, comment, and let us know which other cars you'd like for us to review, and also what you like about this car, and maybe what you don't like. Until next time, bye! The remember, we all have the BMW. Surprise, surprise. I don't know. Others hated it. But until next time, peace.